So here we have Atlas, and what a story. I mean, if you zoom out, it's just been a downtrend the entire time. I mean, these moving averages have converged and diverged just back and forth, keeping the price action down. So we're gonna go into a little short-term analysis and figure out what's gonna happen next. So right now your RSI coming down, bouncing off that bearish control zone and the signal line, which usually happens when you go down there. You usually find support, especially on your signal line or resistance, and the bearish control zone. So now if we break this last low in the bearish control zone, I expect us to go deep in the bearish control zone, just like we did here. You do have a multi-crossover as you have bearish divergence we're on the 1 hour right now. So you got bearish divergence, multi-crossover to the downside, your MACD curling over, positive momentum is decreasing on the histogram as your BBWP is in the upper zone above its moving average. Your BBWP is a volatility indicator. Your MACD and your RSI are both momentum oscillators. So Atlas did fall below all major moving averages, got held up by the 200, and that's basically what's holding us up now. If we break the 200, the next level is 0.00407, where this point of control on the VPVR here is to your right, which measures horizontal volume at a certain price level. Yeah, so basically it doesn't look good. Honestly, I think we're going to come down to 00401 after a bounce at the 00407. Then that would imply that we get deep in the bearish control zone. Your MACD crosses your signal line to the downside as your BBWP turns around and continues in the upper zone with both it and his moving average having a positive slope. So yeah, I mean, we're probably going to see more downside in my opinion. Now the bullish case is that we break the 100 at 00422 region. If we can do that, I would expect this multi-crossover to happen to the upside and us to head back up to the highs at 00439. Probably even higher, but it's highly improbable that we break the 100. We're going to have resistance at the 50 first of all, and the 100 falls right at this last high. That's going to be major resistance. We'll probably make a lower high. Unless this thing just pops up, passes this wick at 00429 on a closure. But honestly, if we can just get a closure above the 00422, that would look really good. And then we'll see if we can backfill this wick. All right, so once again, I mean, it doesn't look too good. If we break this 200 at 00412, probably get a small bounce of the 00407, but ultimately head down to the previous range at 00390. So that's about it for Atlas. Let's move on to Polis. Polis got wrecked. It's very liquid. As you see, you got these real long wicks. It just stops everybody out, moves up. Stops everybody out. Now, are we going to get another move up? That's the thing. Like right here. Both sides hit everybody stops and then moved up. All right, so one thing I do want to say is I think this is a corrective rally. Your BBWP is falling as the price action's moving up after the volatility was rising as the price action was moving down. I do think this is just a corrective rally. We might even get rejected here from the 21. Right now, you are in the bearish control zone. If you cross this signal line to the downside, the corrective rally will be over. Same thing here. If this thing curls over and starts touching its signal line to the downside, the corrective rally will be over. Now, we could get up to the 50 at 31.3 because if we can break the 21, that's probably where we're going to go. Honestly, the highest I think we go is where the 200 is going to be at, basically at these lows right here at 319. But I don't see us getting above there. I don't. And I honestly, I only think we get up there by a wick and probably still close below the 50. I mean, you got these huge wicks. Why not? Bearish case is when we break the 0.288. Basically, this last low on a closure. if that happens, next stop is 25 cents. When Polis was $6 and it broke $6, I was telling everybody it was going to $1 and everybody thought I was crazy. Look where we are now. I didn't think it was going to go this low, so I wasn't exactly right. I thought it was going to go to $1 and find support there and form an accumulation zone. That is not what happened. But 25 cents, 20 cents could be the accumulation zone. A lot of this depends on what happens with the game. You know, like, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a variable. You know, if Bitcoin drops, Polis and Atlas is going to drop too. The whole market drops. But a lot's going to depend on what happens in the game. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below, one being the Discord. It is the place to be. We stay ahead of this market collectively. We talk about the moves before they happen. Also, we've got a link for Bybit down there. You get free crypto. I get free crypto. Same with crypto.com. If you stake some Crow, turn on those bell notifications. You get notified of this time-sensitive content. I put daily analysis out every single day on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Every now and then I make an Atlas and Polis video when further developments happen. All right, so yeah, please like and subscribe. Show some support in the bear market. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.